What's up, fam? Welcome back to another E46 video. You guys hear that noise? I'm sure you can hear that noise. That vibration. That's what's going on today. So, in this video, we will be replacing my subframe with some performance polyurethane bushings. I have differential polyurethane bushings, brand new diff seals, and some steel braided brake lines that we're going to install today. But what's going to be put underneath my car is really cool. I got a subframe from Garagistic, and it's powder coated red, reinforced, and it just looks, I mean, sick. I know it's gonna be out of the car, and no one's really gonna be able to see it, but for me to like know it's there, that's fucking sick. But anyways, yeah, so that's going on today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and
okay, guys,
you see everything?
We have Melonlord's rot box.
okay. So here we're gonna do a clear demonstration of subframe and in this E46. Clearly, it's in quite bad shape. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do inspection. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Are you blocking the light? No. Is that hot? Alright, yo. We're gonna do a visual inspection here, a little love tap inspection. I think, you know, it's pretty safe and secure. If you just tap it, you can see like all the, you can see it fall apart right before my eyes. Ooh,
Here.
Let's just give this a little.
Oh. Allow me.
Oh, you want?
You see, guys? You see?
Hit that thing right there, the broken flay bar now.
Can I actually?
Hit it. Oh my god, dude, there's so much shit coming off of this
It's
thing.
leaking. You see that?
Oh my lord. Alright, so we are here with Mr. Cranky.
Shut up, I ain't Mr. Cranky.
He's cranky.
No, I'm not.
He got his dick tied today.
No, I actually didn't. I got my dick wet this morning, so fuck you.
He got his dick tied today. He had to pay $100 for a dog. Ooh, baby. Look at those bolts coming off. Is it spinning?
Yep.
Look at that,
I
dog.
think I said we had to take off.
Rust. Dude, I know. I didn't know how to do it. I'm not the master mechanic.
That's
Hey,
why
can we
I'm
have
here.
those? Can we have those?
What?
Those?
I told him he can have them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, he did.
Because I broke those.
Yeah, no, I told you. I told you.
Yeah, no, I know.
I got them for free. You can have them.
Thank you.
So
I
there
just
you
need
go.
one.
Sorry, bud.
You could, dude, take them both. Take them both, because you never know when that other one's gonna break.
Right.
I'm getting fucking carbon race mirrors.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. They have like the little skinny line up and then the little
Miatas.
square.
Miatas. Are those two pieces?
What?
These?
No, these are one piece. Just how they're designed.
Oh.
Why did you put the hammer now?
Ooh, hammer's,
Devin, I need the
hammer's
hammer.
right there.
Wait, what?
Hammer's
I need
right
the
there.
hammer over there.
Sorry.
This kid fucking keeps hiding shit on me.
I'm sorry.
Ah!
That was cool. This is how we do shit around here, dog. Are all those bolts out? Yes. Did I do a good job loosening them all?
Yes, you did.
Fuck. Dude, that was hard. I don't care what you say. That was hard because I had to hammer all the things on the bolts because they were like kept spinning and shit. Your dad came in here earlier. He goes, what the hell are you guys doing? I looked over and I pointed to the new subframe. He goes, oh, good luck. He goes, how many miles is this thing on? And I'm like, 215,000 as of today. Yeah, you just creeped over to 215, didn't you? 215, I pulled in here. It was 215.01. I'm hauling that off.
For the vlog. You already know.
Yeah. Woo! Woo! You coming? Slowly but surely.
Thank you, Commonwealth. I got a great deal and I can eat ice cream again.
Hey, Alex.
They're out in the DD's out in the quads right now, and everybody else is nowhere to be found.
That's mad funny.
Fucking gold.
Did your power washer work?
Yeah.
Do you have any tape
But what?
so I can tape these ends off?
They don't go in.
They don't? I can't get water in there though, right?
They just drain it out with fucking gear.
Where's your power washer?
On the other side. Next one.
Do you have any grease lightning?
About work or?
I don't know.
Huh? No, he's on the grass. Stupid woodpecker.
Power washer is definitely going to be needed here.
Man, should I play car forward?
Shouldn't have to pull a car forward, right?
Alright, y'all. We finished up. Subframe's in. Y'all, subframe is in. Bushings are in. This is just from when we filled it. So, diff seals are in. It's all looking good all back together. Oh my god, dude, my video just paused. waiting on the sway bar because the sway bar mounts were fucked. So everything's back together.
It was
That's the video. Thanks, guys.
he left when we
Thanks for watching.